Most gardens fail not because of bad plants, but because of tired soil. In the next few minutes, you will learn simple, sustainable, and regenerative practices that build healthy soil, reduce work, and keep your garden producing year after year with less effort. These are proven methods that work whether you are brand new or have been gardening for decades. Healthy soil is not dirt. It is a living system. Under the surface are billions of microorganisms that feed plants, store water, and protect roots from disease. When soil life is strong, plants grow stronger with less fertilizer, less watering, and fewer problems. Sustainable and regenerative gardening focuses on feeding the soil first, not forcing plants to survive poor conditions. This mindset shift is what makes gardening easier over time. No dig. Gardening is exactly what it sounds like. You stop turning the soil. Traditional digging breaks soil structure, disturbs microbes, and brings weed seeds to the surface. No dig gardening works with nature instead of against it. Here is how it works. You leave the soil alone. You add organic material like compost or mulch on top. Earthworms and microbes pull nutrients down naturally. The result is better drainage, fewer weeds, stronger roots, and less physical work. This method is especially appealing for gardeners who want long-term results without constant labor. Compost is the fuel that drives regenerative gardening. It recycles waste into nutrition and builds soil life at the same time. Kitchen scraps, leaves, grass clippings, and garden waste all become valuable resources instead of trash. Good compost improves soil structure, holds moisture during dry periods, feeds plants slowly and naturally, reduces the need for store-bought fertilizers. You do not need perfection. A simple pile or bin that stays slightly moist and gets air will work. Over time, compost becomes the most powerful and cost-effective tool in your garden. Soil health is not a one-season goal. It is a long game. These practices improve soil year after year. Keep soil covered with mulch to protect microbes and retain moisture. Add organic matter regularly through compost or leaf mold. Avoid synthetic chemicals that harm soil life. Rotate crops to prevent nutrient depletion. Let roots stay in the ground when possible to feed microorganisms. As soil improves, you will notice fewer weeds, better harvests, and plants that can handle heat, drought, and stress more easily. This is where gardening becomes reliable instead of frustrating. Sustainable and regenerative practices are not just about plants. They reduce water use, cut down waste, improve local ecosystems, and create food systems that last. No matter your age or experience, these methods reconnect you with natural cycles that humans have relied on for generations. Simple choices today lead to healthier gardens and a healthier future. If you found value in learning how to garden smarter and not harder, take a moment to like this video, subscribe, and become part of a growing family focused on practical knowledge that actually works. Share this with someone who wants better results with less effort, and keep building soil that gives back season after season.